This video demonstrates our campus shuttle management system.
We will walk through the full system flow covering all 4 roles: student, driver, coordinator, and admin.
First, we will demonstrate the student and driver modules.
Then we will continue with the coordinator and admin modules.
Let's begin. We start with the student module. I'm logging in using the student credentials. This is the student dashboard. Here, the student can see upcoming trips, notification, and quick actions. The main notification include dashboard, main routes, and map and bookings. Next, the student can book now his shuttles. He can view 3 routes for now. He can book his seat, and then student can select the suitable date he wants, suitable time, pickup stop, and drop-off stop. After he confirms all his details, he can confirm booking. After booking, the system generates a unique QR code. This QR code acts as the student ticket and will be scanned by the driver during boarding. The student can view all bookings under My Bookings. Each booking shows the route, time, status, and access to the QR code. Student can also view the live map to track shuttles in real time. Different road colors indicate different shuttle lines. Student can also report an incident, submit delays, incident, or any other operation issues. He can select the type, affected route, and the level of emergency, and provide as much details as possible. After he confirms everything, he submits his incident report. Here he can view all his recent incident report for administration and coordinator. Next, notification tab, he can view all his notifications that he received and can mark all of them as read. Next, the feedback tab. Student can share his thought. His feedback helps us create a better commute for everyone. He can select his route, how was his journey, the category, and any additional comments he would like to share. After he finishes, he can send feedback, and here he can view all his recent feedbacks. Now we switch to the driver module. The driver dashboard shows assigned routes, trip schedule, and passenger information. The driver starts their shift and begins a scheduled trip. Also, he can report an incident, choose the affected route and the priority level, and provide as much details as possible. Submit his incident report, and here he can view all his recent reports and student recent reports, so he can also view it, and he cannot see the student's names. Here, the driver can see all live shuttle maps for other buses and his own. This completes the student and driver flow. Next, we will move to the coordinator module.
So now let's start by logging in. The coordinator module is used to manage the daily shuttle operations. The dashboard provides an overview of the routes, drivers, trips, and incidents. As you can see in the dashboard, we can first navigate from the dashboard. Let's start by creating a route, and then click on creating a new route. We can name it West Campus Loop Test. And then we're gonna assign a color. And then we're gonna add the stops. We separate it by a comma. main campus, mall, sport, hall. And then for the frequency, we can say 15 minutes. And then operating hour from 7 a.m. until 8 p.m. The duration, 20 minutes. And then we're going to click on creating a route. So the coordinator can create and manage the shuttle routes. And then, as you can see in the screen, it's already added. Let's navigate to the drivers. Okay, for the drivers, they are assigned to routes using schedule interface. Assignments include the route's date and working hours. As you can see on your left side, we can see the drivers' names and their availability state. And then let's start by choosing a date. For example, 10. And then select a driver, Mike, the route. Select our new one, West, yes. And then start time at 9. And then the end time at 14. Let's confirm it. As you can see, it's successfully assigned. And if you scroll down, you can see that there is a new schedule on February 10 for Mike. Okay, let's scroll up. And then we're gonna go for the live monitor. The live monitor allows the coordinator to track all the active shuttles. Report instance can be reviewed and updated in real time. For the instant, can you click it? Okay. As you can see on your left side, there is a report and instant. You can type first what happened, the type, accident, and then let's say west. And then for the level, let's say low. And then you can add any details, descriptions. And then submit it. You can see it's already submitted successfully. And also for the coordinator, he can review all the instance report from the driver and the student that has been created. So we can mark it as resolved. And then the second one, process instant. Okay, we're gonna leave this one. And then go to analysis. In the analysis page, you can see the overview of the system, having all the total booking, active routes, average waiting time, and open instance. And you can see down the calculation diagrams. So let's log out from the coordinator and log in for the admin. The admin role includes all coordinator permissions plus the system level control. The admin can manage the user, resolve instance, and configure the system setting. So the admin is responsible for managing the system users, including creating accounts, assigning roles, and detecting the user when needed. So you can see in the dashboard that we can see we have the overview of the system, and then click on active route. Okay, and then we can assign a new route. Let's call it main campus test. Okay, and then we're gonna choose the color. And then for the stops, we can add any stops. West Campus, Mall, and Sport Hall. And then for the frequency, let's say 10 minutes. Operating hours from 7 a.m. until 10 p.m. And then for the duration, we can say 13 minutes. And then click on creating a route. Okay, as you can see, the main campus is added. And then let's go for drivers. As you can see on your left side, we have all the drivers. The 3 of them are not available. We can assign it to Emily. So starting by choosing a date, let's say 9, and then select the driver, Emily. And then for the route, let's select the main. Starting time at 9. And then ending at 16. Click on confirm assignment. You can see the notification, and then if we scroll down, you can see the schedule for February 9, 2026 for Emily Driver. And then let's scroll up for the instant. Also for the admin, he can report for any instant, can submit any delay instant, anything. So click on what happened in the instant type, and we can say an overflowing, and then select a route, main, and then make it high. You can write any description. Submit it. You can see the notification, and also it's already updated. As for the admin, he can make a resolved or process it. And also if we process it, and then if we go down, you can see all the old reports that were created by the driver, student, and the coordinator. So let's go up for the monitor. You can see here the live shuttle map with all the routes. And then let's go for the analysis. And here is the overview of the system. And that is all for the admin.
To summarize, students book rides and receive the QR codes.
The driver validates the booking and manage trips.
Coordinators oversees routes, schedule, and incidents.
Admin manages the users and maintain the system integrity.
This concludes the demonstration of our campus shuttle management system. Thank you.
Thank you.